Try this one. Grandma never had a drop to drink. She poured Grandpa's liquor down the bathroom sink. She never knew he had a copper still hidden in the woods on Sawblade Hill. He was gone every night into the morning light. She never knew how the bills got paid till the lawman came to the door that day. He said, "Mama, you living here alone?" She said, "It's me and Grandpa, but Grandpa's gone. You the wife of old Charlie Bill. Caught him cooking liquor on Sawblade Hill. He put up a fight. The sheriff lost his life. But Charlie Bill's out on the run. He's a wanted man with a lawman's gun." Grandma said, "Take a look around. There ain't nothing around here to be found. Well, I got a little bit of time to kill. Let's take a little ride to Sawblade Hill." The sun was going down. She never made a sound. Shot rang out from old Charlie Bill, another lawman dead on Sawblade Hill.